Acquiring Valorant points through a Steam gift card has become an effortlessly streamlined process in today's gaming landscape. Allow me to guide you through the steps to seamlessly accomplish this task. Commence by launching the Valorant game on your computer, and within the game interface, locate the in-game store, your gateway to obtaining Valorant points and an array of enticing in-game items. Once you've entered the in-game store, peruse the available Valorant points bundles, each presenting distinct quantities of points at varying price points. Take your time to select the bundle that aligns with your preferences and requirements. As you proceed to the checkout, a crucial step awaits: choosing a suitable payment method. This can encompass a range of options such as credit or debit cards, electronic payment methods, or other alternatives, contingent upon your geographical location. Navigate through the on-screen instructions diligently, following the prompts to finalize the transaction. This phase may necessitate entering pertinent payment details and confirming the purchase to ensure a smooth and secure process. Upon the successful completion of the transaction, revel in the satisfaction of witnessing the Valorant points seamlessly integrated into your in-game account, ready to enhance your gaming experience.